Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make a spanner like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. Go to From Plan, Active Center Line, click from this point to this point, click this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension, make the center line length is 200 mm. Click this line and this line, make an angle of 16 degrees. Active Ellipse, click this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension, click this point and this point. Make distance 35 mm. Click this point and this point. Make distance 31 mm. Active Ellipse again. Click this point, and to this point. Active Smart Dimension, click this point and this point. Make distance 40 mm. Active Trim, cut this line. Active Offset entities, check by directional. Make parameter size is 9.5 mm. Click the center line. Active Circle. Click this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension. Click this circle and this point. Make distance 8 mm. Active Extend entities, click this line and this line. Active Trim, cut this line. Active Smart Dimension, make the circle radius is 11.5 mm. Active Trim again, cut this line. See, one side is done. Now make other side. Active Circle, click this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension, make the circle diameter is 35 mm. Active Polygon, click this point. To this point, click the center line and this line. Make parallel. Sorry. Undo. Do it again. Okay. Active Smart Dimension, click this line and this line. Make distance is 19 mm. Now make line to connect the key. Active line. Click this point to this point and make in other side. click this line and this line, make tangent, and do it the same thing with other side. Active Smart Dimension, click this line and this line, make distance 50 mm. Click this line, and this line, make symmetric. Active center line, click this point to this point, make the center line vertical. Active Smart Dimension, make this line 150 mm. Click this point to this point, make vertical, and do it the same with this point. Active slot, click from this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension, make the slot length is 100 mm, and make this radius is 5 mm. Go to Ventures, active Extrude Boss, click this face, and this face. Make extrude parameter is 8 mm. Make duration is mid-plane. OK. Active Extrude Boss again, and click sketch 1 for extrude base parameter. In selected contour, click this face. My extrude parameter is 5 mm, and change direction to mid-plane. OK. Now I wanna insert text in this face. Go to this face, active center line, click this point to this point, click from this point to this point, make the center line vertical. Active Smart Dimension, click this edge and this center line, make distance 6 mm. Active Sketch Text, click the center line, make text banner 19. Position in middle. OK. Active Extrude Cut, make extrude cut parameter is 1 mm. OK. See, the text is make it. Do the same thing with other side. Active fillet. Make fillet parameter is 1 mm. Click all this edge. Okay. Active fillet again. Make fillet parameter is 0.5 mm. Click all this edge. Okay. Now I wanna choose the material. Choose cast alloy steel. See, this panel is ready. I think it's the end of tutorial. I hope you like it and can learn in my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.